I know you've seen all these Instagram posts about Japan using piezoelectric tiles. Well, today I'm hopping on that trend and turning it into a math problem. My math problem is the following. If piezoelectric tiles were used during peak capacity in Shibuya, how long would it take to produce the energy needed to fully charge an iPad Pro? Before I get into it, please consider following. I had to do some research. First, I found this 2024 paper about a piezoelectric tile model by Salim Yahi and Salib, link in description, and found out that each tile can produce up to 246 milliwatts of power. Next, I found from this article that at peak capacity, there could be up to 2,500 people walking at a time. Then, because the crossing isn't constantly active, I had to research its pattern. I found this live stream of the crossing and timed it once. I found out that the crossing lasted about 58 seconds and it took 2 minutes and 21 seconds to repeat itself. Finally, how much energy does the iPad need? I went to Apple's website and found out that it was 28.65 watt hours. Let's do some math now. First, how many joules is 28.65 watt hours? There are 3,600 joules in a watt hour, so simply multiply 28.65 and 3,600 to get 103,140 joules. Next, how much energy is generated in each walk cycle by the Shibuya residents? Multiply 246 milliwatts by 2,500 people and 57.65 seconds to get 35,455 joules. 103,140 joules divided by 35,455 joules equals 2.91 cycles of the crossing needed to charge the iPad. So we'll have 2 full crossings at 2 minutes and 21 seconds each, and 91% of the first 57.65 seconds of the third crossing, since we don't need the full 2 minutes and 21 seconds of the third one. 91% of 57.65 seconds is about 52 seconds. Now simply add all these times up to get 334 seconds. This is 5 minutes and 34 seconds, and this is our answer to our problem. I would like to acknowledge some limitations. First, I am not an electrical engineer or an expert in electronics. There may not be 2,500 people all throughout the 57 seconds. People could step on 2 tiles at once, or 2 people could step on 1 tile at once. If we use an actual charger to connect these tiles to the iPad, the charger itself could probably burn some energy and we would need to account for that. Shibuya Crossing may have a different timing at different parts of the day, so my timing might have been off. And finally, different tiles could be more efficient, so we would need to spend less time walking on them. So why did I make this video? I just wanted to try and poke fun at this trend while showing some basic math and science concepts. If you enjoyed the video and made it this far, please like and follow. Thank you.